Who has heard such a thing? Who have seen these things? Shall the earth be made to bring forth in a day? Or shall a nation be born at once? For as soon as Zion travaileth, she brought forth her children. This Friday, 9 p.m., night of restoration. You're bringing forth your manifestation. Your restitution is now. Your prophecy will not fail. I'm reaching out to encourage you to make time. Come, let's gather together under the canopy and the auspices of the Holy Spirit and travail in prayer. We will lift up adoration and worship with Ohima Mercy and Daughters of Glorious Jesus to unveil, uncarve, and unfold manifested blessings that are hidden in time. You have to be there. Do everything possible to make it to this night of restoration. Destiny House, 16th Street, Collinsdale Road, here in Accra. Your life will never be the same again. I have a word for you. You will finish 2021 well. God bless you. See you on Friday, 9 p.m. sharp.